soon as possible. But the problem is, new laws should be harmonious with different existing laws. Special cabinet meeting that was called to clear the new draft of the bill has now referred it to a group of ministers. Besides Law, Home and Women Child Development Minister, lawyer ministers in cabinet like P. Chidambaram and Kapil Sibal are in group of ministers as well. The task before them is challenging a new legal point of difference have emerged on stricter provisions of proposed law on voyeurism and stalking. These ministers are likely to give their view and suggest harmony in existing laws by Wednesday evening.
22 तारीख से पहले इस कानून पर चर्चा निश्चित रूप से पार्लियामेंट के दोनों सदनों में होगी। आज की कैबिनेट मीटिंग में कुछ विचार रखे गए। सभी सदस्यों ने बहुत खुलकर अपने अपने पक्ष रखे हैं। प्रधानमंत्री जी ने ईगॉम का गठन किया है। ईगॉम कल शाम को या परसों मिलेगा और जो मसाइल या मसले रह गए हैं जिन पर एक आम राय बनानी है, मुझे पूरी उम्मीद है कि वो आम राय हम बना पाएंगे।
In an attempt to draft in laws swiftly, it appears that comprehensive and holistic view of dealing with the menace is missing. The current ordinance not only provides for harsher punishment for rape and other sexual offences defined so far in the Indian Penal Code, but also defines new offences like voyeurism and stalking. Voyeurism means if someone watches or captures image of a woman in a private act in circumstances where it is not expected, then it will invite 1 to 3 years of punishment. Any repeat act in this regard may invite up to 7 years of imprisonment. Stalking means following a person or to contact or attempt to contact for personal interaction repeatedly despite indication of disinterest by a girl or a woman. Punishment for 1 year and up to 3 years for repeating the offence. Justice Verma panel gave the suggestion to make such activities as crime because they were found to be prevalent. Though difference on implementation of such wider provisions are now coming to fore. Other points of differences are, government wanted to bring back again the age of consensual sex from 18 to 16 now. In the ordinance, it was raised inviting controversy. The move was criticized saying that it ignored contemporary social reality. Children are more aware now and can get sexually active at increasingly younger age. There were also feared that such law can be misused to harass youths who do not conform to parental and social norms. This also holds true for those who elope in love and later their parents may resort to such laws. This is worrisome in context of rampant killing of couples in the name of protecting family honor. NCPCR have recommended 12 as the age of consensual sex. Government earlier rejected this criticism, saying age of 18 will protect the child product from trafficking for sexual and other purposes. Women groups are pressuring government to replace the word sexual assault with rape. They argue that gender-neutral definition ignores reality that overwhelming victims are women. Justice Verma had also suggested the term rape in the law. Concerned ministers feel that it will take some time to draft such overreaching legislation.
मैं चाहती हूँ कि वही उम्र होना चाहिए, अदरवाइज सोसाइटी में एक मैसेज ठीक नहीं जाएगा और हमारा मैरिज एज भी 18 and 21 है, तो बहुत सारी चीजें और थी जिसको रख के बिल तो पास होगा, थोड़ा सा समय लगेगा.
It's a very important piece of legislation. We know what the deadlines are. We will try to meet those deadlines. That's what we are working overtime to meet the deadlines. But it's important that not just government but the opposition altogether have clarity on something that will have far-reaching implications, on which there's tremendous amount of public interest and determination by groups that have been working for years on these issues. And we've been through several revisions. There was an amendment that was lying before of the law that was before the standing committee. There was the ordinance. So when we do something that has such deep and far-reaching impact on society.
Government say that it is committed to bring a strong law to check crime against women in the current session itself. With Bureau Inputs, Sudhakar Das's report, DD News.